If lemon and cucumber is mixed up in smoothie or juice, may have some benefits in weight loss once the fiber's content can decrease appetite. Lemon and cucumber help in weight loss when combined with a balanced diet because both are rich in water and low in calories, plus their beneficial nutritional content. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and potassium, offering antioxidant properties and helping regulate blood pressure. Vitamin C also helps in iron absorption. Cucumber is rich in water, potassium, polyphenols and fiber, beneficial for bowel health, blood pressure regulation and free radical combat due to their antioxidant components. Cucumber are low in calories but high in many important nutrients and minerals. 1 cup serving contains just 16 calories. Cucumber also contains fiber which helps you feel full. On the other hand, lemon helps control weight thanks to the presence of vitamin C and antioxidants that promote good digestion. There is no scientific evidence to show that lemon and cucumber help you lose weight. Like other vegetables and fruits, its consumption is healthy and, together with a healthy diet, it is recommended to lose weight. They are a natural diuretic and can help reduce swelling, inflammation and edema, water retention. Having cucumber lemon water once in a day early in the morning can do wonders for your weight loss journey.